What's happening, boys? So I just had the best idea in the world for all of you, and it's going to give me an unlimited amount of content to post on YouTube. You read the title. I am giving away all of my courses for free. Now, obviously not all at once because I need unlimited content to post on YouTube, but my business is taking a little bit of a change. I've merged my agency with a new one. And currently the Legacy Room website agency is just sat there, not really doing anything. And after just spending time in the industry and discussing SEO strategies and things like that, we have determined that it's going to be pretty much impossible to get these video courses that I've spent years building accredited, verified, checked off by blah blah blah. You get the gist. Turn them into actual qualifications, because that's how we're going to get the SEO strategy to work. And so what I've done is I've been rebuilding all the courses so that they're all spec content, which is, if you don't know what spec content is, it's basically just like college coursework, basically, rather than entertaining videos. That's how I'm going to sell the courses, via the SEO strategy and the official route to give people qualifications. It's going to make me a lot of money in the future, and I'm really excited. But it means that all the videos that I've made, the hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of videos with all the amazing content, are just going to go to waste. And so instead of wasting all the videos, I've decided to give them to all of you for free. I'm going to be uploading one either every 1 or 2 days to the YouTube channel. There's going to be no introductions, again, same, no editing, nothing like that. It's just going to be pure, raw, the lesson taken straight out of the e-learning platform and just uploaded onto YouTube. It'll be in a playlist. Everything's going to be in chronological order. You're going to get my full email marketing course. You're going to get all my copywriting courses, my advanced copywriting courses. You're going to get all my client acquisition courses, SEO, like everything that I've ever done. And I'm going to upload one lesson every single day to the YouTube channel. So if you haven't subscribed already, make sure you subscribe now, because I've literally sold these courses for thousands and thousands of pounds. Like last year, I made a decent amount of money selling these courses, and now I'm giving them away for free. Obviously, everyone who's bought these courses, you haven't wasted your money. Don't worry about it, because you've had an extra 2 years than everyone else to actually break in and make use of the knowledge. You've got access to everything, because even though I'm giving away these courses for free, there's that many lessons and that many videos. It's going to take months for them to finish coming out on YouTube. And all my paid students have got one-to-one mentorship, obviously, for life. So you've got access to me. You guys on YouTube, camera just completely died on me then. So yeah, all my paid students, you guys have still got lifetime mentorship. Obviously, everyone on YouTube doesn't have lifetime mentorship, but if you do want lifetime mentorship, you can check the description of this video or the top comment pinned down below. If you want to join my program, if you want to get some mentorship from me, I am reopening the community, I'm reopening the program, I'm reopening everything, because things are taking a shift for me now. I've got some really awesome stuff I can't wait to share with you all, but just for the time being, I'm going to send all of my new lessons out onto YouTube for free, one after another, for all of you to enjoy. So if you ever wanted access to a $2,000 course but not had the money for it, here you go. This is my gift to you guys. Peace.